Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to do map activity. Geography, lithosphere 1. Take one world map and mark the following. Pacific Ring of Fire, earthquake prone zone. Locate any two active volcanoes of the world. Himalayas and Alps ranges, Rift Valley of East Africa. Dear students, what is Ring of Fire? Ring of Fire is a major area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ring of Fire. What is this? Pacific Ring of Fire. Look this side, Pacific Ring of Fire. This is North Pacific, here South Pacific. In Tamil, Pacific Niruppu Valayam. So, Ring of Fire is a major area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean where many earthquake and volcanic eruptions occur. Now, second one, we will see earthquake prone zone. Generally, the areas having trap rock or basaltic rock are prone to earthquake. This is earthquake prone zone. Look here, this is Indonesia. Here you have to mark one dot. Okay, this is Indonesia. This is one of the earthquake prone zone. Here this place is Japan. Okay, Japan also earthquake prone zone. Third one, locate any two active volcanoes of the world. In Tamil, Seyalpadum Yerimalai. Active volcanoes have a recent history of eruptions. They are likely to erupt again. Look here, children. St. Helens active volcano. What is this? St. Helens active volcano. Here, Stromboli active volcano. Then fourth one, Himalayas and Alps ranges. Himalayas and Alps ranges. These Himalaya mountain ranges located in Asia. These Himalayas mountain ranges located in Asia, separating the plains of the Indian subcontinent. Separating of the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan plateau. From the Tibetan plateau. Next one is Alps ranges. What is that? Alps ranges. This Alps range located in Central Europe. Where is it located? In Central Europe. Last one is Rift Valley of East Africa. What is valley, children? A low area of land between hills or mountains called valley. What is valley? A low area of land between hills or mountains called valley. See, this is Rift Valley. The Rift Valley located in Eastern Africa. Where is it located? In Eastern Africa. Typically with a river or stream flowing through it. Sphere 2. Dear children, now you have to mark any two deltas, karst region, any two hot and cold deserts. What is delta, children? Yes, delta is triangular area where a major river divides into several smaller parts that usually flow into a larger body of water. The first delta was the Nile Delta, named by the great historian Herodotus. Karst. Karst is an area of land made up of limestone. Karst. K-A-R-S-T. சுண்ணாம்பு பிரதேசம். Desert. Desert is a barren area of landscape when little precipitation occurs and consequently living conditions are hostile for plant and animal life. The lack of vegetation exposes the unprotected surface of the ground to the process of denudation. There are two types of desert. One is hot desert, another one is cold desert. What is the difference between hot desert and cold desert? The main differences between hot and cold desert is that the hot desert is battered by a ice sun, whereas the cold desert has ice and the snow in the ground. Hot deserts are closer to the equator, while cold deserts are in extreme northern and southern latitudes. Now we will see glaciers. What is glacier? A glacier is a large perennial accumulation of crystalline ice, snow, rock, sediment, and often liquid water that originates on land and moves down slope under the influence of its own weight and gravity. Dear children, mark any two deltas. Mississippi Delta. What is that? Mississippi Delta. Here, Gangetic Delta. What is that? Gangetic Delta. Now you mark any two cold desert. Gobi cold desert. Gobi cold desert. Atacama cold desert. Atacama cold desert. Mark any two hot desert. Sahara hot desert. What is this? Sahara hot desert. Arabian hot desert. Arabian hot desert. Now you mark any two karst region. This is Sri Lanka. Okay. Sri Lanka karst region. Sri Lanka karst region. This is Nullarbor karst region. What is this? Nullarbor karst region. Next one, you mark any two continental glaciers. Antarctica continental glaciers. Antarctica continental glaciers. Here, Greenland continental glaciers. Greenland continental glaciers. Lesson 4, Hydrosphere. Now we will see major ocean currents of the world. உலகின் முக்கிய கடல் நீரோட்டம். What is called continent? A continent is one of the 7 main divisions of land. The continents are from largest to smallest. Okay. Name the 7 continents. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Why India is called a subcontinent? India consists of people who belong to different races, caste, religious, languages and cultures. India is geographically diversified as it contains desert, plateaus, rainforest, mountains, hot springs, etc. In this aspect, India is considered as a subcontinent. Name the 7 continents, children. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the biggest continent. Which is the biggest continent? Asia is the biggest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Okay. How many oceans are there, children? There are 5 oceans. Name the 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean. This is North Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Ocean. This side North Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Ocean. Second one, Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. North Atlantic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean. Third one is Indian Ocean. Look here, children. This is our country, India. This is Indian Ocean. Fourth one is Arctic Ocean. What is this? Arctic Ocean. Fifth one is Southern Ocean. How you have to pronounce this? Southern Ocean. Here, which is the largest ocean, children? Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and also it is deepest ocean. Now we will see warm current and cold current. வெப்ப நீரோட்டம், குளிர் நீரோட்டம். This red color specifies warm current. This red color specifies warm current. வெப்ப நீரோட்டம். Alaska current. What is this? Alaska current. Gulf Stream. North Atlantic current. Norwegian current. Brazil current. Hagulas current. Mozambique current. Kuroshio current. East Australian current. Okay. Next we will see cold current. Kulir Nirotam. Look here. This is California current. What is this? California current. West Greenland current. East Greenland current. Next one. Humboldt's current. Here this side. West Australian current. What is this? West Australian current. Dear children, you may better understand about volcanic regions and earthquake prone zones, deltas, cold desert and hot desert, karst region, continental glaciers and major ocean currents of the world. Thank you, dear children. God bless you all.